Hey y'all, I am back at it again, cleaning my living room, getting it ready for the spring. Heartbreaks and promises, I've had more than my share. I'm tired of giving my love and getting nowhere. What I need is somebody who really cares. I really need a lover that wants to be there. It's been so long since I've touched a wanting hand. I can't put my love on the line. That I hope you understand. So baby, if you want me, you got to show me love. Words are so easy to say. You got to show me Hey guys, I want to let you know what I was wearing today. My outfit of the day with my black poncho, my black black and white African print skirt. I got my black and white Pumas on, a white tank. I got my hoops on, my little bangle, and I got my little black bob on, a little perfume. I did a little makeup. I am out early. Today is February 21st, 2024. I want to say hi, welcome. All right, y'all. Today is my baby's birthday. So, you know what that means. I am putting some stuff on the grill. So, a little barbecue sauce, 2 eggs. Okay, and the salt. This is a lot of meat, so I want to season it real good. Mix. I'll put my onions in. I got red and white onions. I've already cut up. This is how we do it. 62, baby. This is how we do it. La 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 la. This is how we do it. So no, 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 no. This is how we do it. Oh, oh, oh. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. It's Friday night and I feel. I am back at home. The broccoli is on. It is steaming. I got my onions and peppers and garlic in here. I'm about to put my ground beef and ground turkey. I done decorated. I done put some of this up. And I got her 21. I got that over there. And then I got her table set up. Like, about to do my walls. I'm using Swiffer. Hi everybody, I just wanted to get on here and show you guys the finished results. I am done with the ceiling and the walls. I scrubbed the cabinets. They are nice and clean. Alright guys, I am here. You better get it. Hey, y'all, look at my baby. Look at my baby. He practicing. Look in the lead. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, y'all. I am at it again. I'm about to make some vegetable fried rice. So, let me put my avocado oil. Let that warm up because that is my dumplings. So, I just washed this out. Put a little avocado oil in there. Wanted to heat up for my onions and peppers. I got broccoli, peas, and carrots, an egg, and some rice. I feel like a stove. Okay. Papa, I feel like Papa thinks I feel like a crystal. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I got these dumplings. I'm about to make 3 packs. Feels like it's supposed to be like a. I'm just little black pepper. Ooh, y'all, don't look at my face. I need to get cleaned up, but I'm about to clean this room. And child, yeah, mirrors are filthy, bed need changing, so I'm about to change that. And I got my little scented candle warmer thingy. This is the, what is it, brown sugar, I think. So yeah, I'm about to clean this room, take these sheets off. I am done with the bedroom. It is nice and clean. The walls, his corner with his fan, and then my bed. Oh my God, it looks so good, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. so clean. My nightstand is clean. Closet is clean. And desk is clean. And my closet is clean. The mirror